Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're out in the garage here. I'm just defrosting the freezer. It doesn't have auto defrost, and I got the hotsy pressure washer rolling here, and it's got the burner going. Works pretty slick. You can hook soap up to it as well. But just cleaning the wife's car, and works pretty good. Let's see how this. Let's see how she works. So this is with no soap. So it would probably cut that, I believe it probably is grease. Probably cut that right off there if I had soap hooked up. But I don't. And I'll use a microfiber cloth to come along and just clean that grease off. I should have some soap hooked up to it, but this little test here shows what it'll do without soap, and just running the boiler. Hope you guys are all faring well through the trying year that we're having. Not easy. A lot of stuff going on for sure, huh? But we're getting through it. What other choice do we have, right? Yeah, just cleaning up the car a little bit and chilling out. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, why don't you give me one of those thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye.